My buddy Bacon. He's a goofball. He's actually a savage killer, but not with me. My Pyro Cat. He'll actually start scratching where he wants me to scratch and see if he does it. He got this stupid hand he does. He'll reach up there and rub his face or his ears. His name is Bacon because he was accidentally scalded with bacon grease. He ran underneath it, took all the hide off his back. It all grew back, but he wasn't friendly for a long time. He is now. My boy. I guess he ain't gonna do it. Bacon. Do know your name though, don't you? Oh, there's the hand. He wants me to rub his face. Let's see if he does it again. He's thinking about it. Yep, he wants me to rub his ear. It's funny that he points out what he wants scratched. He's a big old cat too. Oh, he wants me to rub his face. And then he's fixing to make me rub his ear, see his hand. I'm a good kitty, huh? Flea bag.